What you're doing?
Actually,
We can go to the other side if you like. We can go there to the other
of course I
side.
do. Yeah, we do. There's two.
Oh, this is, I think, forget-me-not. This kind of flower.
I picked one.
Oh, stop picking things. Oh, that is stingy.
Oh my gosh. Oh, can I
Away
give
from
you?
there. Oh, thank you, babes.
Everything is for you. What?
Stop it, baby. Leave it alone because it's nice to see there's a flower.
Okay.
These yellow things also, it's nice. Oh, there's a boat, Matt, Ness. We will wait for that boat. Come. There's a boat. It's coming now. Wait, wait, wait. Stay on the side. Hello.
Between them two then?
They are twins. They're identical.
5 minutes.
They're just 2 minutes.
Oh wow.
2 minutes. Yeah.
Hard work. But worth it.
Yeah. We just asked for one. Chukam. Emmett, Ernest, stop it.
Boy.
Yeah.
They're not there.
Huh? Okay, the boat is coming now. We will just check now. Come. Emmett, Ernest. Oh, it's stinky here. Oh. Oh, look at that. This is a bridge. And somebody's bring something to sit there. Here we go. The boat is coming. Look. Oh, be careful. Somebody just... I think this is from the rose.
Go up there.
Where?
The bridge.
Maybe. Come. Go first. We're going to check first. Oh, look. Oh. There's a boat, huh?
Oh my god.
Hi. Aww. Hello. Yeah. They're having a hot cocoa and coffee. You wanna go there? So wait for mom. Emmett, Ernest, there's nothing in there. Okay, wait for mommy then.
Mom, take it out.
No, we cannot. Leave. Maybe there's car. Wait.
Mom, leave it somewhere. And it's right just somewhere.
What's in here? Come. Oh, this is the street here now. This is just the road here.
What is it?
Go back.
What is that place?
Oh,
What is that place?
that is the road.
What kind of road?
Wait for me.
Something like 30 minutes.
Oh, they're very good. We're talking to each other. What's your... Oh no. Really? You're okay?
Didn't even touch his feet.
Okay, go. Your brother's waiting. Oh, there's something interesting there. What's that place there? Come, we'll see.
That's a party.
You're okay now. Party? How you know? Hindi ko alam kasi bagong phone to. Hindi ko alam tong phone na to kung maganda ba yung kakalabasan ng mga videos namin, guys. So, ito lang yung play. Ayan, parang
Invited in this
Jamorings.
party with mom and dad. Everyone. My family was invited to this party and we have a great time.
Love you, baby. Oh, there's still a lot. You can still more wish to come. Okay, wish first. What you wish?
I wish I was invited to all the birthdays.
Oh. You wish that he will be invited on all the birthday. Okay.
I wish my whole family was invited to a birthday there.
So they are all wish to be on this part invited to. Oh.
I need to go back home.
Really? We're just walking on this far and then you wanna go home now? Okay, we'll just go find some chair so you can have some food. You can have some of your drinks. It's there, somewhere there. Just oh, look at that old boats, love. That is where where's all the boats? Yeah,
Why is nobody using them?
because they're old already. Maybe they are just
I'm going to take one for one.
Wow.
I'm rusty. I know. How did they grow?
Maybe they're just keep there and then they're mending it. Yeah.
Some is already fixed.
Yeah, exactly.
Some is already
So they painted it, they're mending it.
Mom, some is already fixed.
Huh?
Mom, why is there keeping some bones in fixed?
Oh, somebody's inside of the boat, look. Yeah, somebody that is there. Oh, look at that big boat, Emmett Ernest. It's coming.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's big. And then there's another one that's coming too. Whoa.
Mama, miss you.
Oh my God. Away from the... Oh, we are very lucky we find this. Okay, stay here on this side. Because there's somebody's coming. So we can take a video on this big boat. And we'll show to your dad. Yeah? Oh, you will be okay. Hello. Oh, look at that, love. It's too narrow, but it's still Huh? Oh, go on the side, Emmett. Oh, look how big it is, love. Okay, stay on the side. There's Leave it. That is not yours. Somebody owned that. No. Oh, look. No, somebody is having party there. Somebody's having party, love. Oh, nice. Yeah, I think they will stop in there. That is nice. Okay, come. What? It's nice. Hey, say hello. Hi.
Hi.
Yes. Wow, that is nice, Emmett Ernest. Stop it. Oh. Oh, you know before when we come over here, this place is not yet okay. There's no cars. This one, before there's no car, but now we can see there's a car.
Why
Oh,
did we come there?
what happened to you? How is it down? Oh, maybe you can spray something in there. Here, you can put this. Don't keep. Emma, Ernest. Slowly. That's it. Give me. Give me. Oh, that's it.
Mom, see that hair?
Yeah, just close that.
When is it going to wear off?
Don't know.
Now somewhere else is itchy.
Really? Why you feel so much itchy now?
Keep going.
Boatyard, traditional boatyard and crane whistle. Whistle.
We need to find a chair.
Huh? Yeah, okay. Stand up then. Oh. This is new, guys. This is new because when we come over here, Matt, this is not yet here. So now we will tell to Daddy that this one is something here. This is where you come and play with a. Oh, I will show you. I will show you later. What is this like before?
Only.
This is nothing in here. There's no cars, nothing. This is where you keep playing. Remember that there seem like a mountain here when we come over here. Seem like a mountain and you keep coming on the top of that one. But now look, it's clean and cars in here.
I think somebody took some and all the dirt away.
Yes, they mended.
Why?
Choose trolley for business. You can see there. Choose trolley.
I think they needed to park on their car somewhere because there's too much people on the earth.
Really? This is what you think.
I'm feeling so itchy.
Oh no! That is not nice. Oh, that's too much problem now. Ernest! I think we need to go back then. Yeah? Because you keep doing that. Because you keep going and then you keep doing that one on the plants. On the grass, I mean.
Did that now.
No, I didn't. Look, I'm just taking it. Come now, your brother is far ahead. La 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 la. Hey, put it on! Crazy. You will get hurt. Uy, put it on.
I did find that.
He's so quick. I can't remember now why like this. When you come over here, it seems like nothing in here, this one. But now look, it seems like
But there's some cars. I think we never went there.
we've been here, love. I still remember.
I don't.
We did! I even take a video on this one when we come over here. We walk on this area, but still, just only I think a year already when we went here. No, not yet. I think just a month, and this is wow.
Go back home.
Every time. Another boat, Emmett. Another boat, love. Come, your brother is here now. Stop it, baby. This place is very look different than the last time we come over here. So I can't believe that there's a fence already. We used to walk on this place before. It's just only for how many months a lot of change already on this place. Somebody bought this place, I think, because now it's private property. Stay on the side, love. There's a car. Yeah, you remember that we keep sitting on this place before? There's a car, there's a bike. Because it is new. Oh, there's another boat, love. Oh, what's wrong with you? You okay? Something is working there, love. You're okay? What happened? You're fine? Okay, stand up there. I will take a picture. What happened? You okay? Let me see. What happened?
Oh my god.
What's wrong?
Why does it rest?
Huh? But we don't have somewhere to sit. Oh, there's another boat there, guys.